Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show us how to add in the solver on our spreadsheet in Excel. To do that, we go to the File menu, we choose Options, you choose Add-ins. You can see list of active application add-ins and the ones that are inactive. So at the moment, the solver add-in is under the inactive ones, so you select it. Then come down to Manage, and you see Excel add-ins, select it. So if it's not default in your window, you can click on the drop-down box and select Excel add-ins and click Go. It gives you another window where you can then select the solver add-in. You click OK. It gets added to your spreadsheet. So to see this added on your spreadsheet, you come to your data ribbon and you will see under Analysis, Solver. Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.